Colour theory, looking at warm, cool and complementary colours. Here's some resources you might need.
Okay, so now we've made our colour wheels, we've presented them in our books and we have labelled them. I'm going to talk a little bit about different colour groups. So we're going to start by talking about warm and cool colours. And to demonstrate this, if you take a ruler and divide your colour wheel in two between yellow and green and red, violet and violet, draw a line through the middle. And then half of your colour wheel will present as warm colours and half as cool colours. So warm colours such as reds, oranges, yellows, colours that you associate with perhaps drawing or painting fire. And then the other half of the colour wheel are cool colours. So artists use this knowledge to inform their decisions when they create a painting. They will use cool colours in backgrounds to create the appearance of things going backwards. A good example of this is by Cézanne. This is just a small painting where he's used cool colours in the background and warm colours in the foreground. So warm colours appear to come forward whilst cool colours appear to go back. Okay, so label your colour wheel. So if you label warm colours and cool colours on your colour wheel, and then if you can find an artist for an example, that'd be great to add that in there as well. And the next colour group we're going to talk about is complementary colours. So complementary colours are pairs of colours which are opposite each other on the colour wheel. So for example, red and green are complementary, orange and blue, violet, yellow. And these colours are complementary because they are so contrasting. They couldn't be more different. So pairs are often selected to really complement each other because of how contrasting they are. Okay, so to demonstrate our understanding of complementary colours, we're going to draw three shapes. I'm going to draw three circles. I'm going to use my my compass to draw out three circles. You can choose any shape you want. You can draw a square, triangle, organic shape, anything you like, and just draw out three shapes. It doesn't matter if you intend on cutting these out and then repositioning them in your sketchbook. Don't worry too much about where you draw these out. But if you're not intending on cutting these out, you might want to pay a little bit more consideration to whereabouts you put these on the page. Okay, once you've drawn your three shapes, you're going to use a ruler and divide each one equally into two. It's just a straight line through the middle. You can do exactly what I'm doing or do it completely your own way, however you want to do it. I'm going to press a little bit harder just so you can see this a little bit more clearly. Okay, and for each of these shapes now, we're going to paint them using our complementary pairs. So you'll need to refer to your colour wheel to get an idea of how you're going to do that. And I'm going to use these block watercolour paints again. It's really up to you what medium you use. I'm going to start with red and green. And I'm just going to paint each side with a different complementary pair. Okay, I'm now going to allow that to dry and then later on I will be cutting those out and presenting them in my book with notes about what complementary pairs are.